Everybody can hear me? Okay, so we can sit back. Yeah. So today is Advaita Saptami, the holy Tithi on which Lord Sadashiva incarnated into this world as Advaita Acharya. He is also Mahavishnu and Sadashiva to combine together. महाविष्णु और सदाशिव जी दोनों ही एक साथ अवतरित हुए हैं इस धराधाम में अद्वैत आचार्य के रूप में, और अद्वैत आचार्य इज द कॉज फॉर द एडवेंट ऑफ नित्यानंद एंड गौरांग। अद्वैत आचार्य के कारण ही निताई गौर का प्रागट्य हुआ। तो टुडे इज अ मोर ऑस्पिशियस डे फॉर अस देन इवन नित्यानंद त्रयोदशी एंड गौर पूर्णिमा, because even if Advaita Acharya would not have come, we would not have the Lord Krishna and Balaram come.
Low voice है.
The voice is low.
Mic लगा लीजिए.
Ananta Prabhu, can you sit in the side somewhere? Yeah. Anant Prabhu को side उनको side में बैठ जाए पहले ताकि पूरा खुला हो जाए. No, I don't like the mic. I will say now. You can bring closer. Come here.
Can वो lapel mic लगा लें, इसमें लग जाता है.
No, I can speak loudly.
आपको नहीं lapel mic, वो ये mic नहीं. इसमें सिर्फ इसके लिए.
lapel लोडे है.
Now it's too late and we don't have the.
नहीं इसमें वो connection इसमें use हो जाता है वैसे. Can we use?
No, I'll speak loudly. No problem.
ठीक है, I will check.
I'll speak loudly. So we will sing the verses. We'll sing the verses on Advaita Tattva. Advaita Tattva के हम श्लोक आज स्तुति साथ में पाठ करेंगे. We will all chant together. महाविष्णुर्जगत्कर्ता महाविष्णुर्जगत्कर्ता माययाय सृजत्यदः माययाय सृजत्यदः तस्यावतारमेवायम् अद्वैताचार्य ईश्वरः अद्वैताचार्य ईश्वरः अद्वैताचार्य ईश्वरः अद्वैतं हरिणाद्वैताद्
अद्वैतं हरिणाद्वैतात्
अद्वैतं हरिणाद्वैताद् आचार्यं भक्ति संशणात् आचार्यं भक्ति संशणात् भक्तावतारमीशं तम् भक्तावतारमीशं तम् अद्वैताचार्यमाश्रये अद्वैताचार्यमाश्रये Lord Advaita Acharya is the incarnation of Mahavishnu, whose main function is to create the cosmic world through the actions of Maya. Advaita Acharya महाविष्णु के अवतार हैं जो ये भौतिक सृष्टि का सृजन करते हैं अपने श्वास में से, अपने रोम रोम में से, उनसे ये सृष्टि प्रकट होती है. We will sing the verse of Advaita Mahavishnu. महाविष्णु का श्लोक हम ब्रह्म संहिता से पढ़ेंगे. यस्यैकनिश्वसितं कालमथावलम्ब्य, कनिश्वसितं कालमथावलम्ब्य जीवन्ति लोमविलजा जगदण्डनाथा, जीवन्ति लोमविलजा जगदण्डनाथा, जीवन्ति लोमविलजा जगदण्डनाथा, जीवन्ति लोमविलजा जगदण्डनाथा. अंडांतरस्थ परमाणु चयान्तरस्थम, परमाणु चयान्तरस्थम, अंडांतरस्थ परमाणु चयान्तरस्थम, गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि, गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि, गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि, गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि. Because Lord Advaita is not different from Hari, he is called as Advaita. तो अद्वैत आचार्य भगवान कृष्ण से अभिन्न है, गौर सुंदर से अभिन्न है, नित्यानंद प्रभु से अभिन्न है, इसीलिए उनका नाम है अद्वैत. And because he propagates bhakti yoga to the whole creation, bhakti samshanat, he is called Acharya. क्योंकि वो सारे जीवों को भक्ति प्रदान करते हैं, इसलिए उनका नाम है आचार्य. What is the definition of an acharya? केहा करे न प्रचार, ना करे आचार, केहा करे न आचार, ना करे प्रचार. आचार प्रचार ए दुई कार्य, तुमी जगतेर गुरु, तुमी सर्व आर्य. क्लोज इट, क्लोज इट, क्लोज इट, क्लोज इट. No need. It's creating sound. Don't stop there. In the class, don't get up, don't talk, don't move, don't touch. आचार प्रचार दुई कार्य, तुम्ही जगतेर गुरु, तुम्ही सर्व आर्य. You, some people they only preach but they don't practice, and some people only practice but they don't preach. And you are doing both, so you are Acharya. You are Acharya because you are doing both. You are practicing and sharing the knowledge of the Bhagavad Gita. आप दोनों ही करते हैं, इसीलिए आप आचार्य हैं. आप आचार भी करते हैं और प्रचार भी करते हैं। तो दैट इज वाई आई सरेंडर अद्वैताचार्यमाश्रये, अद्वैताचार्यमाश्रये। मैं अद्वैताचार्य की शरण जाता हूँ क्योंकि वो भगवान से अभिन्न होते हुए भी भगवान की भक्ति का प्रचार करते हैं। Being non-different from the Lord, but he still does share the bhakti of the Lord to everyone. So that is Advaita Acharya. So let's say together another verse from Gaur Ganoddesh Deepika of Kavi Karnapur. Bhaktavatar Acharyo, Bhaktavatar Acharyo, Advaitah Yah Shri Sadashivah, Advaitah Yah Shri Sadashivah, He who is Lord Sadashiva, in Vaikuntha, he is the Bhakta Avatara, Shri Advaita Prabhu, Mahavishnura Amsha, Advaita Gunadham, Ishware Abheda, Teni Advaita Purnanam. Shri Advaita, who is the reservoir of all virtues, is the main limb of Mahavishnu. His full name is Advaita, for he is identical in all respects with the Supreme Lord. उनका नाम अद्वैत है क्योंकि वो भगवान से सब रूपों में अभिन्न हैं और वो सारे गुणों के सागर हैं और वो महाविष्णु स्वयं हैं। जीवन निस्तारिला कृष्ण, भक्ति करी दाम, गीता भागवते कैला, भक्तिर व्याख्यान। Lord Advaita Acharya delivered all living beings by offering the gift of Krishna Bhakti. He explained Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam in the light of devotional service. उन्होंने सारी सृष्टि को धन्य बनाया है। अद्वैत आचार्य ने कृष्ण भक्ति का प्रचार करके, कृष्ण भक्ति को बांट के, अहेतुकी रूप से बांट के, और उन्होंने भगवत गीता और श्रीमद् भागवत में से भक्ति का सार, भक्ति का रस सब जीवों को प्रदान किया है। अद्वैताचार्य गोसाई साक्षात् ईश्वर, प्रभु गुरु करी माने, तिहोत किंकर। Lord Advaita Acharya is directly the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Although Lord Chaitanya accepts him as his guru or preceptor, Advaita Acharya is also an associate, is actually an associate of the Lord. So Advaita Acharya वो साक्षात भगवान है, और गौर सुंदर भगवान उनको अपने गुरु के रूप में मानते हैं, उनके गुरु के रूप में पदवी देते हैं, लेकिन वो अपने आप को अद्वैताचार्य भगवान के दास मानते हैं। हाँ, वो that is that verse in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Advaitacharya is loudly shouting, चैतन्य दास मुई, चैतन्य दास, चैतन्य दास मुई, चैतन्य दास, चैतन्य दास मुई, चैतन्य दास, चैतन्य दास, चैतन्य दास तन्र दासेर दास, दासेर दास. He is saying loudly that I am the servitor, I am the server, the servant of the Supreme Lord. And you know the beautiful thing in Srimad Bhagavatam that everybody was getting darshan of Krishna, but only one personality was not able to see Krishna face to face. Who was that personality? Lord Mahavishnu. Lord Mahavishnu. He was not able to see Krishna because he is lying in the middle of the material and the spiritual world. So he is neither here nor there. So he was hankering for darshan of Krishna. So what Mahavishnu did in Bhagavatam? Come on, where is Bhakti Sarvabhauma?
Stole the children of.
Yeah, he sold the 8 children of whom? Of the Brahmana, not a farmer. Brahmana. He kidnapped the 8 children of the Brahmana. And then Arjuna, the Brahmana came to Arjuna and told Arjuna. So Arjuna took a vow without asking Krishna. Arjuna said, if I don't find the children by the sunset, I will enter into fire. So now then Krishna, he searched everywhere in the earth, but the children were not there. So the children were with Mahavishnu. So then he went to Krishna. He said, Krishna, please help me. Where are the children? So Krishna closed his eyes and Krishna says, they are beyond your capacity. The children are beyond your capacity. They are with Mahavishnu. Now it is impossible. तो मैं हिंदी में बोलूं कि महाविष्णु ने अपहरण कर लिया ब्राह्मण के 8 पुत्रों का और महाविष्णु कृष्ण का दर्शन करना चाहते थे. तो अद्वैत आचार्य भी उसी भाव में आए हैं. वो भी कहते हैं मैं कृष्ण का दास हूँ, उनका दासानुदास हूँ. तो वही भाव में अद्वैत आचार्य आए हैं. और जब महाविष्णु ने वो ब्राह्मण पुत्र को अपहरण कर लिया तो फिर अर्जुन ने व्रत लिया कि मैं ढूंढ के निकालूंगा और वो संध्या काल तक नहीं निकालेंगे तो मैं अग्नि में प्रवेश करूंगा. तो फिर वो कृष्ण की सहायता लेनी पड़ी और कृष्ण भगवान ने अर्जुन को बोला कि मुझे तुम्हें इस ब्रह्मांड के पार ले जाना पड़ेगा. उस 8 ब्राह्मण पुत्रों को पार कर लोकालोक पर्वत से भी परे जो लोकालोक माउंटेन्स, they are at the edge of the universe. After Lokaloka mountains, the sun cannot go there. There is darkness on the part of the universe. Beyond the Lokaloka mountains, I will have to take you there, beyond the universe, into the Brahma Jyoti, into the Vaitharani, and where Mahavishnu is lying. And there you will find the sons of the Brahmana. So imagine all the 9 trillion universes are coming from Mahavishnu. But when Krishna comes in every universe, Gauranga comes, Mahavishnu wants to have darshan. That is why he comes as Advaita Acharya to witness the pastimes. Because having darshan is one thing. You have darshan, you kidnapped the sons. So Krishna came with Arjuna and he saw Krishna face to face. But participating in the Leela of the Lord, that is even greater good fortune. To be participating in the Leela of the Lord. तो लीला में भाग लेना हो तो बहुत बड़ा सौभाग्य है. तो महाविष्णु को तो दर्शन हो गए, फिर दर्शन के बाद लोभ होता है ना. आप लोगों को कुछ एक मिल गया तो फिर और चाहिए और चाहिए और चाहिए, लोभ होता है. You get greed if you get darshan. Now I want seva, now I want leela. So then Mahavishnu got that hankering. उनको लोभ हुआ. ब्राह्मण पुत्रों को तो लौटा दिए उन्होंने, कृष्ण और अर्जुन को. लेकिन फिर महाविष्णु ने रिक्वेस्ट किया भगवान से, मुझे आपके लीला में पार्टिसिपेट कर, जब आप कलयुग में आएंगे तो मुझे आपकी लीला में सम्मिलित करना. When you come in Kalyuga, then you please let me participate in your leela. And the proof of that is given by Garga Muni, while naming Krishna and Balaram in Gokul, he said to Nanda Maharaj that Shuklo Rakta Tatha Pita Idanim Krishnatam Gataha. So many people think that the Kali Yuga avatar of Gauranga Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is not mentioned in Bhagavatam, but he is mentioned in the Bhagavatam, where by Garga Muni he is saying your sun is white in color in Satyuga, and he is Rakta, he is red in Treta Yuga, and Idanim, now he is Krishna here. He is here in front of us as Krishna, but in Kali Yuga he will be Pita Varna, he will be yellow, he will be golden in complexion. In every age he is coming, your son is coming in every age. So हर युग में आपका पुत्र आता है. गर्ग मुनि ने बोला नंद बाबा को कि आपका पुत्र अभी श्वेत वर्ण में आता है, सतयुग में, त्रेता में लाल वर्ण में, अभी श्याम वर्ण में है, कृष्णताम गतः, और वो कलयुग में पीत वर्ण में आएगा, और उसको लाने वाले होंगे अद्वैताचार्य. When you serve the Lord for a very long period of time, then you get the authority to call the Lord. अगर आप भगवान की सेवा बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम तक करते हैं, तो आप प्लीज करते हैं, भगवान को प्रसन्न करते हैं, फिर आप अधिकार है, आप भगवान को गोलोक से भी बुला सकते हैं. You can call the Lord from Goloka, like Advaita Acharya called the Lord from Goloka, because he is serving the Lord as Mahavishnu. He is serving the Lord. The whole material creation is manifesting and going within him. Loma vilaja jagadanda natha Vishnur mahan sahiyasya kala vishesho govindamadi purusham tamaham bhajami. He is a kala of Krishna in the form of Mahavishnu. So he can call the Lord, but even him needs the help of Tulsi Maharani. Tulsi leaf. Yeah, and Ganga water. Tulsi ka patra और Ganga ka jal. That's why we are in Rishikesh. We can have fresh Ganga jal and Tulsi leaf. Every day. My Gurudev, when he was he was given the service that every day before the Mangal Aarti, bring that Ganga jal and give it to all the devotees. So when he was a child. So Ganga jal and Tulsi Patra, Advaita Acharya combined himself, because to conquer the Lord of Vaikuntha is only possible through a Tulsi leaf and some Ganga water. वैकुंठपति गोलोकपति कृष्ण को प्राप्त करने के लिए, बुलाने के लिए, प्रसन्न, पहले तो उनको खुश करने के लिए गंगा का जल और तुलसी पत्र, क्योंकि गंगा भी गोलोक से आई है, गंगा भी विरजा है, गंगा भी वरा प्रेम मंजरी है, गंगा भी भगवान की सखी है, भगवान की दासी है, भगवान की मंजरी है. तो गंगा का जल और तुलसी का पत्र लेकर अद्वैत आचार्य ने भगवान को कलयुग में प्रकट होने के लिए बुलाया, हुंकार करके. उनकी हुंकार गोलोक तक पहुंच गई. एंड हिज हुंकार, हिज लाउड क्राइंग entered into the Golok Vrindavan by the power of Ganga and Tulsi Patra. So let's say together today, if we want to conquer the unconquerable Lord, let's say the same mantra which Advaita Acharya called to call the Lord in Kali Yuga. Ready? हम लोग वही मंत्र बोलेंगे जो अद्वैत आचार्य ने तुलसी के पत्र से गंगा जल को अर्पण करके भगवान को बुलाया है. तुलसी दल मात्रेण तुलसी दल मात्रेण जलस्य चुलुकेन वा जलस्य चुलुकेन वा विक्रीणिते स्व आत्मानं विक्रीणिते स्व आत्मानं भक्तेभ्यो भक्तवत्सलः भक्तेभ्यो भक्तवत्सलः Just by offering Ganga water and Tulsi leaf, you can purchase the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You can purchase Him simply by that, because the Lord is always Aham Bhakta Paradhino. The Lord is always controlled by the bhakti of His devotees. भगवान हमेशा अपने भक्त की भक्ति के वश में रहते हैं, इसलिए अद्वैत आचार्य ने उस भक्ति से, भाव से तुलसी का पत्र और गंगा का जल अपने गिरधारी को, अपने गिरिराज को अर्पण किया और गंगा जी के किनारे बैठ के गंगा जी के सानिध्य में उन्होंने हुंकार किया। उन्होंने भगवान को गोलोक वृंदावन से बुलाया, उधर गोलोक वृंदावन तक उनकी आवाज पहुंची। एंड हिज लाउड क्राइंग, लाउड रोर्स, यू लॉर्ड, यू हैव टू कम इन नाउ इन कलयुगा। All your associates have already descended. All the demigods have already descended as your associates. Now you have to come. We are all waiting for you. So like that, वो पुकार रहे हैं कि आपके सारे पार्षद आ गए हैं, आपको आना ही पड़ेगा। तो नारद जी भी गोलोक गए थे। आपको कथा चैतन्य मंगल से you must be knowing that Narada went to, at the same time Narada went to the Goloka and he was in Dwarka. So he met Krishna and Rukmini and then Krishna came. So Krishna आए और वही है अद्वैत आचार्य। तो तुलसी पत्र and Ganga water and pure devotion, these are the three things needed. शुद्ध भक्त, तुलसी का पत्र और गंगा का जल, ये तीन वस्तुओं से भगवान का प्राकट्य हुआ। So you may ask why, if I offer tulsi water and Ganga jal and call, why the Lord is not coming now? Why the Lord is not coming? भगवान क्यों नहीं आ रहे कि गंगा जल मैं तुलसी का पत्र अर्पण करूं तो भगवान क्यों नहीं आ रहे? क्या आंसर है?
शुद्ध भक्ति,
You are not roaring like Advaita Acharya.
हुंकार किया था।
हुंकार
करेंगे तो आ जाएगी।
हाँ, आप गलत चीजों में हुंकार करते हो। He is roaring for all the wrong things.
हमारी हुंकार की आवाज तक पहुंचेगी नहीं। हमारी हुंकार की वहां तक आवाज पहुंचेगी, उनकी पहुंची थी ऊपर तक।
तुलसी का पत्र और गंगा के जल से होगा।
कल मैं करूँगा, सब लोग आ जाना जिसको।
मुझे आवाज अच्छी आ रही है वैसे।
Now good आवाज, मैं जोर से
नहीं
बोल।
मतलब आप नॉर्मल बोल सकते हैं अच्छी।
But today is the day of Advaita Acharya. We should roar.
अरे वो कल ऐसा ना हो।
It doesn't matter.
कल करना ना हो।
कल तो छुट्टी भी मिलनी चाहिए बोलते थे।
एक महाप्रभु आर प्रभु दुई जना, दुई प्रभु सेवे महाप्रभुर चरण, दुई प्रभु सेवे महाप्रभुर चरण, दुई प्रभु सेवे महाप्रभुर चरण, one is Mahaprabhu, two Prabhus. Who are the two Prabhus? One is Balaram Nityananda Prabhu and one is Mahavishnu Sadashiva Advaita Acharya. Both are serving Mahaprabhu, who is the combined form of Radha and Krishna. Radha Bhava Dyuti Suvalitam Naumi Krishna Swarupam. So they are serving the Lord in many different, unlimited different ways. We can't even imagine how they are serving the Lord in how many different ways. So that is no worship of Mahaprabhu is complete without worshipping the two Prabhus. दोनों प्रभु को साथ में लेके ही महाप्रभु की भक्ति करनी चाहिए, नहीं तो महाप्रभु की भक्ति इनकम्प्लीट। तो साद्वैतम सावधूतम परिजना सहितम कृष्ण चैतन्य देवम। Parijana Sahitam, all associates come afterwards. But Sadvaitam, Savadhutam, Advaita comes first. And he left the world last. Advaita Acharya came before, 50 years, around 45-50 years before, and he left the world last. I mean, yes. So, he was very, very merciful. And he asked the Lord, please give your prema to Matajis, to female souls, to give to old people, to children. Who prayed like that? Advaita Acharya. His heart was overflowing with love, compassion. उन्होंने बोला माता जी इसको प्रेम दो और वृद्ध लोगों को प्रेम, वो गौर सुंदर, वो बच्चों को प्रेम दो. That's why Nityananda Prabhu made all the children dance in Panihati and in Puri also. In Puri also there is Janj Pita Mat. So that is the glory of Advaita Acharya. That a beautiful song. Let's sing that song today. That you should actually cry by seeing the full of gratefulness. What Narottam Das Thakur sings. What is that? हाँ दया करो सीतापति, अद्वैत गोसाई, तव कृपा बले पाई, चैतन्य निताय, दया करो सीतापति, अद्वैत गोसाई, तव कृपा बले पाई, चैतन्य निताय. How to conquer the heart of Advaita Acharya? By calling him Sitapati. If you call him Sitapati, you are conquering the heart of Advaita Acharya. Because who is Sita Devi? Yeah, she is Shakti herself, Gauri, Parvati, Durga, Katyayani herself as the wife of Advaita Acharya. Yog Maya. You know, in Navadvip, कौन है सीतापति बोलने से अद्वैत आचार्य के हम हृदय को जीत सकते हैं, क्योंकि शिव जी को अति प्रिय है पार्वती, दुर्गा, देवी, शक्ति, उमा, गौरी. तो शिव जी को बहुत प्रिय है. तो वो ही उमा ने नवद्वीप में, सीमंत द्वीप में भजन किया था, और भगवान जब प्रकट हुए तो माया देवी रोने लग गई. भगवान को बोला कि मैं जहाँ हूँ वहाँ आप नहीं है, आप हो तब मैं नहीं हूँ, तो मुझे आपकी लीला में कब दर्शन मिलेगा, आपकी लीला में मुझे कब प्रवेश मिलेगा। तो भगवान ने बोला तुम अद्वैत आचार्य की पत्नी बनोगी, तुम्हारा नाम होगा सीता देवी। So Parvati, she meditated in Simanta Dweep, the Dweep of Radharani. Simante Koryavas, Eba Hoy, Gauradas, Radha Karuna Shigratar Hoy. So that is the place of Simantini Devi, and where Gauri sat down and she was continuously, she received the Gauranga mantra from Shiva, and she was worshipping the golden form of Krishna by chanting constantly. And by that practice, the Lord appeared before her and she begged the Lord that I am normally bereft of your mercy, because where you are there, I am not there. You are like the sun, I am darkness. So we cannot exist at the same time together. So allow me to enter into your pastimes. Allow me, give me a chance. So the Lord said, you will become Katyayani, you will become Sita, the wife of Advaita Acharya. You will come in Shantipur Dham. Bolo Shantipur Nath ki Jai. Shantipur Nath ki Jai. So Shantipur, just like Ekachakra is the place of Nityananda, Navadvip is the place of Gaur Sundar, Shantipur is the dham of Advaita Acharya, and it is the first dham of all the three dhams. So that is the dham. You cannot approach the Lord without Shanti. Without being peaceful, you cannot approach the Lord. You have to be peaceful. We saw the verse Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma Na Shochati Na Kankshati Samah Sarveshu Bhuteshu Mad Bhaktim Labhate Param. That Shanti के बिना हम भगवान के पास नहीं जा सकते, भगवान भी हमारे हृदय में प्रकट नहीं होंगे शांति के बिना। इसलिए हम कहते हैं ओम शांति शांति शांति। Our resting place of the soul is in Shantipur. Shantipur is the place, the rest आत्मा का विश्राम शांतिपुर में होता है। वहाँ शांतिपुर में विश्राम करने से ही नवद्वीप और एक चक्र और वृंदावन में प्रवेश मिलता है। If you don't rest in Shantipur, don't become calm and always mentally meditate on the dust of Shantipur, then automatically you will enter into Eka Chakra, Navadvipa and Vrindavana. You want to remain in Shantipur. It's very nice. Shantipur. We should not use Advaita Acharya as a ladder to go to Vrindavan and then kick him off. Kick off the ladder. Now I don't need Shantipur. You should not do that. कि अद्वैत आचार्य का आश्रय लिया, फिर निताय मिल गया, गौर मिल गया, वृंदावन मिल गया, कृष्ण मिल गया, फिर बोलेंगे मुझे अभी शांतिपुर नहीं चाहिए. No, every year the Lord goes to Shantipur. In Madhavendra Puris, Tirobhav, to distribute khichdi, prasadam to all the souls in Shantipur. There is a huge festival every year. You have been there? No. Shantipur during the Madhavendra Puris. Madhavendra Puri के उत्सव में सबको महाप्रसाद, क्योंकि माधवेंद्र पुरी है वो अद्वैत आचार्य के गुरु जी हैं, गुरुदेव माधवेंद्र पुरी, the kalpa vriksha of Goloka, the tree under which Radha and Krishna perform their pastimes in Vrindavan. The kalpa vriksha divyat vrindaranya कल्पद्रुमाध श्रीमद् रत्नागार सिंहासनस्थो श्री श्री राधा श्रील गोविंद देवो श्रील गोविंद देवो प्रेष्टालिभि सेव्यमानौ स्मरामि सेव्यमानौ स्मरामि So that the tree under which the Yoga Peeth of Vrindavan, under which Radha and Krishna are performing their divine pastimes and served by the 8 Ashtasakhis and the 64 Manjaris and the beautiful divine Ratnagara, diamond studded Kalpa Vriksha that came down in Kali Yuga, it advented as Madhavendra Puri. Great. So, our parampara, Madhvacharya, and then Lakshmipati Tirtha, Vyas Tirtha, Lakshmipati Tirtha, the whole parampara came, and then Madhavendra Puri came as the 21st Acharya, and the 22nd is Nitai Gaur Advaita Acharya. And 20, Ishwar Puri and Advaita Acharya. And no. So Madhavendra Puri was the 20th, and Advaita Acharya and Ishwar Puri the 21st, and Gaur Sundar Nityananda Prabhu 22nd. So that way, the greatest of all gurus, Madhavendra Puri, transferred his prema, his love to Advaita Acharya and to Ishwar Puri, and like that to continue this. So Advaita Acharya is the main branch of the tree of bhakti of Kali Yuga. So that is why it is said Advaitangri Abja Brogam Stam Sara Sara Brito Khilan Hitwa Sharan Sara Brito Naumi Chaitanya Jivanan. The followers of Srila Advaita Acharya are of two kinds. So some were real true followers, those who take essence. See, even somebody like personality like Advaita Acharya could not be understood by some followers, including his own sons. He had 6 sons, so 3 sons, they understood him as the truth, and they understood Chaitanya Mahaprabhu as Radha Krishna and Nityananda Prabhu as Balram, but his 3 sons could not understand. So it does not mean that you are born in a doctor's family, you will become a doctor. अगर आप डॉक्टर के फैमिली में जन्म लेंगे तो आप डॉक्टर नहीं बनेंगे, आपको भक्ति करनी पड़ेगी. जन्म से कोई नहीं बनता, भक्ति करनी पड़ती है. सो अद्वैत आचार्य के 6 पुत्र थे, उसमें से 3 पुत्र महान वैष्णव निकले अच्युतानंद प्रभु के रूप में, और दूसरे 3 पुत्र उनको समझ नहीं पाए, उन्होंने भगवान को समझ नहीं पाए, स्वीकार नहीं कर पाए. तो ये बड़ा ही आश्चर्य है कि तो भगवान का लीला है, इट्स अ पास टाइम ऑफ द लॉर्ड. पर अद्वैत आचार्य के जो सबसे छोटे पुत्र थे अच्युतानंद, वो इतने महान भक्त थे कि वो उन्होंने अपने पिताजी को भी बोला कि ओम कृष्णाय नमः. अद्वैत आचार्य was chanting this mantra Om Krishnaya Namaha to offer the bhoga to the Lord. So Achyutananda told his father when he was very small, you are chanting Krishnaya Namaha, but you are also not chanting the mantra of Krishna Chaitanya, the incarnation of Kali Yuga. So you should say Om Krishna Chaitanyaya Namaha. Yeah. Because Krishna Chaitanya Namna e Mukhya Tamam Prabhu Helaya Sakriducharya Sarvanama Phalam Labhet. In the Brahma Rahasya it is said, Krishna Chaitanya, when you say these two names, you get the full power of saying Radha Krishna's names. So, Krishna Chaitanya Namnaye Mukhyan Mukhya Tamam Prabho. It is the topmost among the topmost names of God. And if you say Krishna Chaitanya, you get the benefit of saying all names of God. Sarvanama Phalam Labhet. So even a small child of Advaita Acharya is speaking such high philosophy. You know, Advaita Acharya के छोटे से बालक अच्युतानंद प्रभु, उनको भी इतना महान भक्त थे भगवान के, तो उनको उन्होंने ये ज्ञान बताया. तो we will say the last verse today after the time is also up. So we'll say the last verse after the disappearance of the Lord, how Advaita Acharya continued spreading Bhakti Yoga. Ihara Madhye Mali Pache Kona Shakha Gana Namane Chaitanya Mali Durdaiva Karana Srijaila Jiaila Taore na manila Ritagna Haila Taro Skanda Kruddha Haila Kruddha Hana Skanda Tare Jalana Sanchare Jalabhave Krisha Shakha Shukaiya Mare. So what we learn from Advaita Acharya's life is that we should always remain connected to the Guru Parampara. By the mercy of our Acharyas, the grace, connection, we should accept the conclusion of the Guru Parampara, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. हमें गुरु परंपरा में ही रहना चाहिए और हमें गुरु परंपरा का जो सिद्धांत है उसको स्वीकार करना चाहिए और उस सिद्धांत को स्वीकार करके ही हमें भक्ति करनी चाहिए. So the first most important thing is we should understand that just like Advaita Acharya brought Nitai and Gaur, the Jagat Gurus, the two Jagat Gurus into this world, our Guru, our Gurudev and our Guru Parampara and the Guru of all living entities, Shiva, we have to surrender to these three personalities. Our Gurudev, the Shiva, the Jagat Guru, the Guru of all souls, and our Guru Parampara. Through their kripa only the Lord, the two Lords will appear in our heart. हमारे हृदय में भगवान को लाने के लिए हमें भी अपने गुरुदेव हैं और सारे जीवों के गुरुदेव शिव जी हैं और हमारी गुरु परंपरा ये तीनों का आश्रय लेके इन तीनों का स्मरण करके तीनों का ध्यान करके जब हम हुंकार करेंगे कीर्तन में मंत्र बोलेंगे गाएंगे तब हमारे हृदय में निताई गौर प्रकट होंगे, राधा कृष्ण प्रकट होंगे. एवं व्रतः स्वप्रिय नाम कीर्तया जातानुरागो दृढ़चित्त उच्चैः हास्यति रोदिति रौति गायति उन्मादवन् नृत्यति लोकबाय. That is a verse from Bhagavatam where you will be able to sing and chant the holy names of the Lord and His pure devotees only when you receive the mercy of Advaita Acharya, when you receive the mercy of Shiva, Sadashiva, Maha Vaishnava Shiva, And Advaita Acharya has gone back to Golok Vrindavan, and Sadashiva has gone back to his Vaikuntha planet. Mahavishnu has gone back to the Karana Sagara, but Lord Shiva is still in this universe to save all of us. So that is Shivaya Sarva, Gurave Namaha. I was meditating, who in this universe right now, who is the personality who has hugged the Supreme Personality of Godhead? Gauranga Mahaprabhu and Krishna both. Who has hugged Krishna and Gauranga both personally? Who is there in this universe? Tell me. It is only Shiva. Why are you still thinking? Hanumanji in his form as Hanuman, he didn't hug Gauranga Mahaprabhu. And Shiva hugged Gauranga Mahaprabhu in Sri Sailam. In 2-3 places, Parvati and Gauri, they came as Brahmana and Brahmana. You didn't read in Chaitanya.
Also Nityanand Prabhu he hugged.
Yeah.
Sri Parvat.
Yeah.
Lata.
So, he is the only personality in this world now who has directly seen the Lord in all his forms. Shiva as Krishna, as Rama, as Gauranga, as Nityananda, in all Kurma, Varaha, Narsinga, every form. The only personality who has seen all the avatars of the Lord and other avataris. And avataris, he has hugged them. Avatari, the source of all incarnations. And he has hugged him. So let us pray to Advaita Acharya to give love for the lotus feet of Shivaji Maharaj today, so that we can reach Advaita Acharya, Advaita Acharya's glories, and that is only possible through Gurudev's mercy. When the Guru carries Shiva in the heart, and Shiva is carrying Nitai Gaur and Radha Krishna in his heart. So how do you reach that? Even Shiva is very difficult to achieve. In Bhagavatam, there is a verse, very, very difficult to achieve Shiva. And Prajapatis, they achieved Shiva by chance. They were coming to meditate, they were searching for the best place to meditate, and they were searching in this whole planet. And suddenly they came near some sea, ocean, and all the drums were playing, and then suddenly Shiva came out of the water. And Shiva blessed and gave him the mantras to chant, and they could achieve the Lord. So, भगवान को प्राप्त करना बहुत मुश्किल है, लेकिन हम शिव जी इस ब्रह्मांड में है जिन्होंने भगवान को आलिंगन किया है, गौर सुंदर के रूप में, कृष्ण के रूप में, राम के रूप में, सब बाल्य लीलाओं में भी शिव जी है, Poganda Leela में भी है, कैशोर लीला में भी है. All the Leela Shivaji has participated. All the Leela Stalis. He is Ashishwar Mahadev in the headquarters in Nandagaon, but he is not happy living in the down. So he is in the palace of Krishna also as Nandishwar Shiva. So even Yashoda Maiya offers the food to Nandishwar before feeding Krishna Balaram. She is giving the food to Nandishwar Mahadeva. He is everywhere. He is in Radha Kund as Kundeshwar, Gopishwar, Kameshwar, Chakreshwar, Bhuteshwar in Mathura. He is everywhere. All the pastimes of the Lord Krishna, Lord Narayan, Lord Madhava, Lord Narsingha, Lord Rama, everything is known to him. And actually, he has a very deep connection with Nityananda Prabhu. That is why Hadai Pandit, he was Bhola like Shiva, and he was a devotee of Pataleshwar Mahadev. He worshipped Shiva, and by Shiva's mercy only Nitai came. So Gaura came by Advaita Acharya's calling, and Nitai came by Mahadeva's calling. So Shiva is everywhere. Shiva सब जगह पे है. हड़ाई पंडित भी पातालेश्वर को पुकारे, पातालेश्वर महादेव तो निताई प्रकट हुए, और अद्वैत आचार्य भी सदाशिव है, शिव है, उन्होंने पुकारा तो गौर सुंदर भगवान राधा कृष्ण के युगल स्वरूप कलयुग में प्रकट हुए. तो आज अद्वैत आचार्य के दिन में कोटि कोटि नमन है, और हमें सबको das bhakti, we have to give up our ego that I am a direct devotee of the Lord, and we have to become the devotee of the devotee of the devotee of the devotee. Thank you very much. धन्यवाद धन्यवाद. सॉरी मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में बीच बीच में भूल गया था बोलना. आप सबको समझा होगा, लेकिन हमने ज़्यादा श्लोक ही बोले थे तो समझाओ.
श्रीला गुरुदेव की जय, अद्वैताचार्य जी की जय.
और आज हमारे सौभाग्य से अनंत प्रभु has come today, first time. So let us, can you change the camera to Ananta Prabhu? Everybody will get darshan. It's so effulgent. Ananta Prabhu has been a brahmachari for many years. And so हम अनंत प्रभु जी के लिए हम ऋषिकेश में हरि बोल का हरि ओम हो गया इधर. तो हम ऋषिकेश में विल से हरि ओम, हरि ओम, हरि ओम, हरि ओम. अब अद्वैताचार्य की हुंकार सुनाई दे रही होगी आपको. यू कैन हियर द हुंकार ऑफ अद्वैताचार्य. Hari Om. So thank you. My throat will go if I do more than this. Dandavad Pranam. Today no questions. Advaita Saptami. So just meditate. Advaita Acharya का ध्यान कीजिए. कोई प्रश्न नहीं है. सारे प्रश्न उनके चरणों में आंसर मिल जाएगा. Advaita Acharya had a question, why Krishna said my hands and feet are everywhere. Advaita Acharya had a question in the Bhagavad Gita. This is his mistake. He opened the window. You opened while cleaning it. Every time it is his mistake. Yeah, I thought you closed it.